Are you an aspiring cybersecurity professional? Listen carefully. This one is for you. Cybersecurity is just 4 words. Most people think cybersecurity is all about tools, hacking, or firewall. That's wrong. Cybersecurity is actually just 4 words. And once you understand them, everything starts to make sense. Cybersecurity is built on assets, computers, phones, and cameras. Vulnerability, threat, and risk. An asset is anything valuable to an organization, not just servers, not just data. Your laptops, your cloud storage, your email systems, your databases, even people are assets. A vulnerability, the second one, is a weakness in any of those assets, an unpatched operating system, a weak password, an open port, a misconfigured cloud bucket. The third one, a threat, is what can exploit that weakness. Malware, hackers, insider misuse, phishing emails, automated bots, scanning the internet 24/7. The fourth one, and the risk, is what happens when a threat successfully exploits a vulnerability on an asset. That's it. That is cybersecurity in its purest form. Now, layer this with the CIA triad. The 3 goals every security team is trying to protect. 1. Confidentiality, making sure only the right people access the data. That's why we use encryption, MFA, VPN, access control. Integrity, making sure data is not altered. That's why we use hashing, checksum, and digital signatures. Availability, the third one, making sure systems stay up and are available. That's why we use backups, redundancy, failover systems, load balancers. Every single thing you see in cybersecurity connects back to this. Every SOC alert, every firewall rule, every vulnerability scan, every GRC report, they are all trying to protect CIA by reducing risk. And this is exactly where beginners get lost. They start by learning tools. They memorize commands. They install softwares. But experts don't start with tools. Experts start with thinking. They look at any system and immediately ask, what is the asset here? What is the vulnerability? What threat could exploit it? What is the risk if that happens? That mindset, not tools, is what turns a student into a cybersecurity professional. If you have heard about this concept before, please leave a comment, say yes or no. Thank you very much for listening. Have a blessed day.